Hello guys, Crypto Bull here, and that's another Crypto Mega Profits video. As I posted yesterday on the total crypto market cap, we were getting this hammer doji and this reversal candle here, but we're still not quite sure whether or not this is going to play out. But as you can see today, we had this nice green candle, these two nice wicks to the downside that got bought out. And as you can see, currently we're returning into the wedge structure, and price might as well be able to return into the wedge, close higher, and then consolidate a little bit more, and who knows, even go higher. Overall, very good for altcoins. Right now, Bitcoin is moving above the 9,900 levels, and the correlation between altcoins and Bitcoin is quite good. It's not as it was before. When Bitcoin goes up or goes down, altcoins go down. Either case, now when Bitcoin goes down, altcoins go down, but when it goes up, they do not go down, but instead they get a breather and they are able to go higher. Right now we are seeing quite a good reversal possibility here, and this might as well happen. To everybody from yesterday that did not quite believe that this was the case, well, you might be in for a big surprise. Until though we get a clear breakout from this wedge, or we even return in this wedge, we cannot be sure that this will happen. We can quite easily get to this point here, fail to break above it, and then go lower. Everything can happen, but the volume right now is looking good. This candle is looking even better, and the alts across the board are not just getting relief bounces. Some of them are making profits above 15%, just like with DUSK. DUSK network made incredible jump for the last hour or so. I could not believe how fast this trade turned into a winning trade. As you can see here, DUSK did respect this line. I'll make it a little bit more visible, and made this interesting structure, V-shaped bottom. Here, as you can see, we had this perfect V-shape. We had candle, the reversal candle, and since then we managed to come here to the neckline of the move, and then explosive move to the 100 MA moving average on 4 hourly, and we did not even get stopped at the 200 moving average, and we went directly for the 100. But as you can see, we went above it as well. This jump has given us an incredible opportunity for 21% gain in less than several hours. My selling bids were a little bit above the 200 moving average, so on average probably 50%. I managed to exit the trade at average of 15% plus, but it was a really good move, and you can search for these patterns in other altcoins, and I can guarantee you that you'll be rewarded greatly in case this alts relief rally continues. But overall, Bitcoin is looking strong. The total altcoins market cap is looking strong as well, so you might as well assume that you can trade a little bit longer. Let's see how long this continues, but according to me, we might be having a green weekend, and we might be heading into a green weekend. So thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please subscribe, like the video, share it, and stay and observe the market. I'll keep you posted. Thank you once again, and bye.